Oh, it's fine.
It's fine. I'll just die of starvation.
Oh my god. Hey guys. Today we're going to be eating katsu curry.
We got it from Yumi Sushi.
Yeah. This is what it looks like.
And it's normally really good, and we're hungry. I haven't eaten since like yesterday, like 24 hours basically. Yeah, we'll edit this out.
Okay.
Damn.
Somebody's hungry.
Mine looks like such. Yours looks like.
I'm trying to make it look a bit aesthetic.
And mine's just a mess.
I really like these pickles. Or ginger.
I don't really like them.
Ginger. They're good.
Mm.
And the curry
yeah, it's really good.
Okay.
It's really good.
Oh, it's really nice.
Yeah, I think it was a good shout. Because we didn't know what to get, and I was like, oh, should we just get katsu curry? Because I fancy something with rice.
Yeah. Oh.
Do you want tissue?
No, fine.
That's so good.
I love katsu curry, guys. If you haven't tried it, you need to try it. Either from Yumi Sushi or a good Japanese restaurant.
Yeah. No, to be fair, there's like a few good ones near us.
Yeah.
But if you know a good katsu curry spot in London, then tell us and we'll try it. I made katsu curry one time, but I made it like really sweet. Yeah, I followed some recipe, but I made it really sweet, and then because I had it on a boil for long, the potatoes basically just went like into the sauce, and yeah.
It turned all mushy because you didn't cut the vegetables up.
Yeah.
Chunky.
I cut them in like small bits, like mouth-sized pieces, but should have just left it whole. But yeah, it's better just to order online. I think I've really had one that's bad. I don't think I've ever had
bad katsu.
Yeah, I don't think I've had a bad katsu before. I think the worst one was probably like 6 or 7.
I'm getting full.
Getting there. How about you?
Mhm.
You only ate like half.
Yeah, I know. Probably eat the rest later.
Cool.
Mhm. I want to try to eat the rest of what's on my plate.
Mhm. Yes, let's finish together.
Okay. No, isn't it mad that people get paid to eat online?
Mm. Yeah, man, that's the dream.
I think we need to get used to the camera a bit more.
I think we're cool. Give you like a lot of rice and I think a lot of chicken. They give you like 1.5 dips.
It was a big portion.
It was nice though. Very nice. What would you rate out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Well, that's already even got 10 out of 10. Yeah, damn, you fool for real. She only ate half, guys.
Yeah, look,
And I finished mine.
they had some carrots as well. Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.